Okay, what's up, everyone? Hi, hello. Read ko muna ang mga names so uh, para mas madali later. Okay, so DJ Ma for the Grizzlies, then Kim for the Pistons, then Daniel for the Nuggets, then Boss Roy for the Bobcats, Boss M for the Hawks and Suns, DJ Ma for wait, the Hawks, then DJ Mab for the Jazz, then Cam Reyes for the Rockets, then JJ Martinez for the Bucks, Jigs for New York, then John Diaz for Raptors, Jigs for T-Wolves, William for Pacers, Bus M for the Nets, Alfred for the Cavaliers, then Move for Thunders, then Utik for Spurs, then Bus M for the Warriors, then in Bay Cards Trading for the Clippers, then Utik for the Sixers. Then Kim Reyes for the Celtics, then traded out to Fum is Orlando Magic, then Dorian Phipps for the Wizards, then Myers for the Blazers and Bulls, Moy for Dallas, Gino for the Heat, Moy for Pelicans, then Bucks Breakers for the Kings, then Alfred for the Lakers. Is that Brian? Why up to deliver tong that in a breaks? Oh, sige, okay. Sige, by by Monday. Siguro by Monday deliver ko na. Doon mo gra iyan? Ha? Okay ra? Oh, sige, start ako. 8 PM, so let's start. Klaro ra? Saan dungog ka? Oy, so. Good luck. Hi Jigs, musta Jigs? Hopefully maganda yung makuha mo Jigs. So where to mag-start? Prison lang para mas marami. For the prison, buksan ko muna lahat yung packs. Okay, so for the prison, wait. So 3, 2, mo na siya. So let's start. Go Wizards. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then box is empty. Macklemore. Jigs for the Knicks. Okay, start. Open ko muna lahat yung packs para mas madali. Go! Hopefully Macklemore gold. Raffle is 4 packet album, same as before. Pokerific, kasi Pokerific, sino yung Pokerific? Pokerific, who are you? The booklet ng price. Kisay Pokerific, sino? Okay. Alfred, ayan, what's up Alfred? Alfred, bakit ang swerte mo? Lucky guy. Ban ka na daw sa next break kasi ang swerte mo kasi. So far wala pang gold. Pinakamalas. Open ko muna lahat para mas mabilis, yung dami kasi sa prison. jumbo box is around 170, 180 siguro, $180. Wait, Pokerific, change to mod. Okay. Wait, gold! Gold! Last ka na. Grabe. Yan, nakita mo yun? Kobe gold. May gold na. Oh. Sige, alis muna ako. John Wall Bill. Wow, one box, merong gold. Ayos to ah. Okay lang. Okay, last pack. 5 minutes break. 5 minutes break muna. Purple. Kita mo yun. last to. So meron ng gold and purple. So, here is the gold and purple. So start muna tayo sa ito. So okay, base, Al Harford base, then Chauncey Billups base, wait, forward ko muna, back para okay. So isa to, Vince Carter base, Robert Horry base, Walt Frazier base, Dominance insert, then HRX base, then Henson base. Guaranteed ba? One purple per box? Okay din yun. So, I think sa okay. Next is Taj Gibson base, Kevin Serafin base, Ray Allen base, Grant Hill, wow, anduta eh, in a Pistons uniform, so base, Rondo insert, that is guard duty, Rondo insert, Victor Oladipo HRX, Al Jefferson base, Chris Paul base, then Robert Sacre base, Danny Green base, Pistol Pete base, Will Russell base, Otto Porter base, Drew Holiday base, then Austin Rivers base. Magsakit yung mudugan. MKJ base, Glenn Rice. Sa Clippers pala to si Glenn Rice after the Lakers, no? Then Judo Mars base, Trey Burke base, Marcin Gortat base, Jason Thompson base, AK-47 base, Ryan Hollins base, Tony for the first auto, Nerlens Noel. Nice. Boom. First auto. Boom. Nerlens Noel for the 6 years. Ayos eh. Mojo box. Wait, lagay ko muna sa top loader para boom! Nerlens Noel. Number, I think 6. 6 ba? Si Nerlens Noel. Sino ba kay Sixers? 76ers is Utik. Nice. First auto. Next. Oh, swerte. Trey Burke. Then Derrick Rose. Base. Noah. Base. Parsons. Base. Sino to? Si Dave something for the next base. Tim Hardaway base. Then, wow, nice refractor for Ray Allen. Oh. For Gino. Nice. So, then Solomon Hill. Then LeBron James base. Then Chris Bosh base. Oh. 3 hits in a row. Grabe. Anderson base. Then Andre Miller base. Okay. Start tayo sa purple. Tim Duncan base. Then Marvin Williams base. Iman Shumpert base. Allen Iverson base. Bennett base. Nice. Paul George for Boss Williams. Paul George. Insert. Then Ben for base. Then James Harden base. Shane Battier base. Then Myers Leonard base. Base. Shabazz base. Then for the purple is purple. For the purple is for the Sonics. For the OKC. Sure. Oh my god. Sean Kemp base. No, Sean Kemp. Purple. Nice purple. For the OKC. Grabe, Mojo box. So 2 hits, Nerlens Noel and Sean Kemp purple. So for the gold, Rainman. Rainman pala yung nickname niya. I thought he was, I think, sino yun? Ano yung nickname, other nickname niya? Yung baby man? Ano? Mingaw akong team. So, Clippers. For the Clippers. Redick base. For the Clippers. Crawford. Spurs. Mano. Then Kentavious Caldwell Pope for the Pistons base. Then Karl Malone base. Then Shabazz. Then for the gold is Dominance. Gold is boom. Ulit na ako. Sige, bye-bye. Oh my god. Kasi wala na nilihok. Ha? Kasi wala. Kinsa ang gold? Tara ang gold oh. Okay ra. Maklaro ra. Kuwag Alfred. Hina yung net. O kita ang video. O kailanin niya. Paano kita? O kita. Gold. Lag po. Baka may pumasok kasi na foreigner. Gold. Kobe Bryant gold. Boom! Oh my god. Sino yung Lakers? Lakers is Alfred. Alfred, andyan ka? Alfred. Congrats. That is number 2. Numbered is 9 of 10. Boom! Congrats, Alfred. Woo! Grabe. Alvin, nandyan ka? Alvin. Gold! Oh my god. So, start tayo sa limited. Okay. One base Mojo is 1 gold Kobe dominance 9 of 10, then Nerlens Noel auto, then Sean Kemp purple die cut. Di ba dalawang auto to? Wait, check ko muna para sure. Gold! Wala pag di nahuman. May gold standard pa. Gold! So, check muna. Grabe. Numbered to 10, 9 of 10. Prism pala si Shane Battier. No, yeah, Prism refractors. Double check ko muna para mas sigurado. Paul George, Wesley Matthews, Dennis Rodman, Magic Johnson, Kevin Garnett, Roll Deng, Dominic Wilkins, John Stockton. Okay. Now, was looking for the second auto. Baka na miss ko. Nerlens Noel, then Wesley Matthews, Prison Refractors. Meron pa isang Refractors. Wait, I think meron pa isa. Hall of Famers, George Mikan, and MCW, Jeremy Lamb, Kevin Durant, KD, OKC, CJ McCollum, Dirk Nowitzki, then Monta Ellis, Mike Conley, then Dennis Schroeder, then Alonzo Mourning. For the second auto for the Knicks is Michael Ray Richardson. Who's that Pokemon for the New York Knicks? Yes, Knicks. Tracy McGrady, then Waiters, George Hill, Tony Allen, Kelly Olynyk, Moses Malone, Shane Larkin, Ilyasova, DeMarcus Cousins, Bismack Biyombo, Stephen Curry, Gary Payton for the Lakers, and Myers Leonard for Refractors, Prison Refractors, then Nerlens Noel. So what's next? Limited or gold standard? Limited or gold standard for the next break? Mojo box, oh. Agree. Grabe. So, let's go for limited para mas good. Mojo box. Woo! Grabe. Swerte ni Alfred. So, limited serial number is 31. Okay, you can see that. Diba? Okay. Break muna tayo. Uy, Alfred, congrats. First time. So, limited, start. Okay, wait. Adjust ko muna para walang. Okay, so for the limited, okay, open ko na. Alfred, buksan ko ba yung Kobe pack or hindi na? Empty. Alfred, buksan ko ba yung Kobe pack or hindi na? Ikaw na magbubukas. Alfred, open or ikaw na? Ito yung number GC12. Wala namang yung walang serial. Okay, so for the limited, one pack, 7 cards. Okay, so empty. Di ko na lang buksan, Alfred. Ikaw na lang para mas mas enjoyable. So, start. Ito yung Kobe pack mo. So, lagyan ko na lang ng okay. So, Alfred. So, here's your Kobe pack. So for the limited, start. Russell Westbrook for the OKC, not numbered. Then Ricky Rubio. Then for the Lakers, Pau Gasol. Courtney Call, that is 31 out of 31 of 199. Focus, focus mo. Ayaw mag-focus Okay, 31 of 199. Pau Gasol. First auto, last na lang to. Tarek Evans for base, then Mark Gasol base, then oh my god, grabe, another Mojo box. Oh my god. Sinong Rockets? Sino yung Rockets? Rockets is Houston Rockets. Wait, sino ba yung Rockets? Kim Reyes, are you here? Kim Reyes auto. Hakeem the Dream. Nice. Hakeem the Dream. That is number 249. Nice auto for Hakeem. Then last is for the die cut is for the Hawks, John Jenkins. Number 2. Wait. Number 2. 349. 7 of 349. John Jenkins. Nice. Lagay ko muna sa numbered yung si Hakim. Papa Chance, no? Hakim the Dream. Hakim the Dream. Lagay ko muna sa thick. So, gold standard na tayo. Numbered. Hakim the Dream. Grabe. Okay. So for gold standard, BB number 23, 328. Jason. Ra. Kita mo to, Jason. Jason. Boss M. Kobe Gold Prism. Kobe. So let's start with the gold standard. Hi, Kamingaw. Yan. So gold standard. So ano, Kobe pack for Alfred. Label ko muna para Alfred. Okay, so Alfred, here's your second Kobe pack. Okay, so gold stand. Oh my God, Mojo na naman. Oh my God, empty. Okay, see, I think wala pang hits. Okay, start with the gold standard. Gold standard na. Sean, yeah. Okay, see, Sean Kemp. Sorry. Purple die cut. Wait. Chuy. So start. Wait. Start na tayo sa gold standard. So for the Chicago Bulls, Scottie Pippen. So this is metal. That is card number 90. Metal. Boss M, sa'yo ba yung Bulls? Bulls ka ba, Boss M? Lagay ko muna para oh my God. One heavy card. So for the Bulls, grabe. Bigat nito, Boss M. Okay. Then second is for the Houston Rockets. Number 2, 349, Omer Asik. Then for Carmelo Anthony, number 2, 349. Number 349, wait. Di makita. Carmelo Anthony, number 2, 349. Nice. Then for the Dallas is Elton Brand. Number 2, wait, 349, same. Jigs. Uy, Jigs, swerte mo ah. Then for the, oh my gosh, another, oh grabe. For the Spurs, Tim Duncan, number 2, 199. Gold. Then Redemption. Ah, grabe. Mojo box din ako. Grabe. Redemption. Guess who? Redemption, guess who? So for the redemption is for the Golden State Warriors. For the Golden State Warriors. Guess who? La 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 la. Gold strike signatures. Stephen Curry. Oh my god. Sino yung GSW? Sino yung GSW? Sino nakakuha ng Warriors? Ah, grabe ka, Boss M. Redemption GSW. Stephen Curry. Congrats. Then first auto, on-card auto for the Bulls. Marcus Teague, M4. Mojo box, 3 Mojo box. For the Bulls, that is number 2, not numbered. Marcus Teague auto. Then for the Phoenix Suns, on-card auto of Goran Dragic. I hate this guy. For the Phoenix Suns. Then for the Dallas, sino yung Dallas? Dallas is Muy si GM. On-card auto for the Dallas, Bernard James. Then next is, oh my gosh, uwi na ako. Grabe, Mojo. Fuck me. Ayun na yan. For the Hawks, sino yung Hawks? Hawks is Boss M. Oh my gosh. Fuck me. For the Hawks. Boom! Oh my god. Boss M, kita mo to? Boom! Win ako. Oh my gosh. Laundry tag. Josh Smith. Woo! Grabe. Wait, lagay ko muna to. Bye, Jason. Oh my god. For the Hawks. First time naka-mojo yung Hawks. Mojo boxes. Then for the Lakers, that is number 2, 349. Focus, come on, focus. Wait. Number 2, yeah, 349. Come on, focus. Hindi na mag-focus. Ayun na ng camera. Then Jason Terry for the Boston Celtics, same. Number 2, 349. Yan. Jason Go. Grabe. Mojo box man eh. Okay. So thank you guys for joining the break. So next time ulit. So Jay here for Cebu Breaks for Fun. Thank you so much for joining. Ah. Grabe.